To install your gate, the hinges need to be prepped before mounting. Start by loosening the nuts so the bracket can rotate for access to both sides. Each gate hinge has two unique sides that mount to different parts of the fence system. The spring housing side is the larger side with the vertical cylinder and tension pin hole. It attaches to the fence post. The bolt side is the smaller side with the horizontal bolt the gate swings on. It attaches to the gate frame. Before mounting the hinges, decide if your gate will open inward or outward. Gate hinges only open one direction once installed. Start by aligning the outer plate of the bolt side to the gate. Fasten it using the supplied screws. Rotate the spring side to expose the inner plate of the bolt side. Secure the inward plate to the gate. After installing both hinges, move the gate into position between the posts. Once installed, use 2 wrenches to loosen or tighten the nuts to set the gate spacing. This adjustment can also be used to moderately level the gate. Make small adjustments as needed until the gate sits evenly. With the gate mounted and aligned, you're ready to adjust the hinge tension. Your gate's movement is controlled by spring tension in the hinges. Both hinges come pre-tensioned to self-close. The way your gate opens and closes is determined by the combined tension of both hinges. To adjust the tension, insert the gate tension pin into the wheel on the hinge cylinder. Rotate the tension pin to load the hinge spring. This will require steady, moderate force. While holding the tension pin in position, remove the small stop pin from the hinge. To increase closing force, move the stop pin to the next hole forward. To reduce tension, move it back 1 or more holes. Reinsert the stop pin fully, then slowly release the tension pin so the hinge locks into the new setting. Set the same tension adjustment on the second hinge so both hinges are matched. Once both hinges are set, test the gate to see how it opens and closes. Fine-tune both hinges together until the gate moves as desired. That's it! Your gate tension is set and ready for everyday use.